In this part, we are going to talk about the file system modules that built in Node.js, and we will do the read files, create files, append files, create and delete folders, and also delete the files. So first we delete the previous lecture code, and then to import the file system modules, we can do this by typing constant fs is equal to required fs, and fs is stand for the file system modules, and you can name this whatever you want, but conventionally we name it as the module name. And first we are going to create a notes.txt, and inside the txt file we type some text that you want, and I just type welcome to CK Mobile. So the first thing is we are going to do the read file, and to read the file we are going to type fs.readFile, and then we choose the path, and we can use the dot and then /logs.txt, and since they are inside the same folder, we can just type logs.txt is also okay. So the second argument is the error and data, and then we are going to check if there's error. Then we are going to console.log the error, and else we are going to console.log the data. So if we run the program by typing node app, we can get the buffer right here being logged to the console. And if we want to see the actual string, we can use toString method. So we type toString, and then we run log app again. It will turn to welcome to CK Mobile. So we can try to put inside another folder, and then we put the logs.txt inside the folder. And if we run this, you can see there's error. So if we want to read this file, we can type the correct path by using // and then CK Mobile and then logs.txt. And if we run this, you can see we can see the message again. So the next part is if we want to write the file, we can copy this and paste here, and then we comment this code. And then instead of using read file method, we are going to use write file, and inside here we are going to type the content that we want to write. So we type a new message, and then we correct this to a new message created. So if we try to run the program, now you can see a new message created, and if we go to the text file, you can see a new message already overrides the welcome to CK Mobile. So how about if we just want to append a new message rather than overwrite this? So for example, this is append file. So now we copy this and paste here, and we comment this code, and then instead of using write file, we use append file, and then we type a new message to, and then we run the program, and as you can see inside the text, a new message to is created rather than overwrite the whole message. But how about if we just want to type the message in a new line, and we can do this by doing \r/n, and then we run the program again, and we go to node.txt, you can see a new message to created in the second line. So now if we try to create a new folder, we can copy this and paste here, and we comment, and then we use make directory, and then we type the folder name, for example, new folder. If no error, a message new folder created will be logged in the console. So we run the log app, and now you can see a new folder is created. But if we try to create the folder again, and you can see it already exists. So we can check whether the folder already exists by using if fs.exit sync and new folder. It will create directory, but we should check if it not exists. So we should type a exclamation mark to represent if not exists, it will create a folder, and otherwise we will console.log the folder already exists. So if we run the program, you can see the message, the folder already exists. But now if we delete this folder and then we run the program, you can see it still can create a folder. So now we are going to delete the folder. To delete the folder, we can duplicate this bunch of code and comment this, and we type delete folder. So we check if it exists, it will delete the folder. So we use remove directory, and then we console.log the folder deleted. And if there is no folder here, we will say the folder already deleted. So now if we run the program, you can see the folder, the new folder will delete. And if we try to run again, you can see the folder already deleted. So at last, we want to demonstrate how to delete the file. And this is similar to delete folder. So we copy this and paste here. And again, we comment the previous code. And we are going to check if the notes.txt exists. So we copy this path and paste here. So if it exists, we are going to unlink the test file. If there is no error, we will say the file is deleted. Otherwise, the file already deleted. So we take a look on the notes.txt and try to run Note app. And you can see the notes.txt already deleted.